Okay, so here we are. I opened it up. You can see the battery pack holds up to 10, and it actually takes all 10 AA batteries to operate. Got a little package, is the screws it comes with to mount it to a barrel or whatever you're going to use. And you can see the circuit board. When I opened this unit up, you can see in the bottom left corner where the edge of the circuit board was broken and would not stay in place. Every time you push on the buttons, it gave a little bit, so I went ahead and just glued it down, put some super glue on it. As you can see, they do have silicone on the connections, and they've got the tape. Get focused. There we go. On the motor, they put some tape around the connections. Tried to keep it a little moisture resistant. The setup is pretty basic. Get here where there's not as much of a glare. You can see, you just push any button, it comes on the unit. It says armed, and you need to push the button again. It'll do a test mode, counts down from 10, so we can see it operate. It operates for 5 seconds for the test mode. Come back around here. We're in the armed position. You push the red button and you can set the date, or I'm sorry, the time. Just for simplicity, we'll say it's 12:30. Press the red button again and then you start setting your feeder times. The duration time from 1 second to 30 seconds. And then the motor speed from 100%, 75, or 50% motor speed. So the push the button again, it goes to the second feed time, do the same thing. If you only want to use 2 feed times, it tells you this in the instructions, to go to the third feed time and turn the run time off, which is just down past 1 second, and it goes to off. When you push the red button again, it goes back to the armed position and displays the time, and you have 2 feed times set. If you want to go back and run through and go ahead and set that third or fourth or up to your 6th feed time, then you change that to a time duration and continue on. You have to change the run time. So that's 5, and then there's the 6th feed time, however many settings you want to put it for. Pretty self-explanatory. Push the button again and you're back in the armed position. So next thing to do is to get it mounted on our barrel and put some feed in it and see what it does.